Hey everyone! Welcome to our latest video on the benefits of investing in real estate for beginners. Real estate is one of the most popular forms of investment, and it offers various advantages that can help you build wealth over time. In this video, we'll be discussing the different benefits of investing in real estate, along with some tips for beginners who are just starting out. Benefits of investing in real estate. Appreciation. Real estate is an asset that tends to appreciate over time. This means that the value of your property will increase over time, and you'll be able to sell it for a higher price than you bought it for. This is one of the primary benefits of investing in real estate. Cash flow. Real estate investments can also generate cash flow in the form of rental income. This means that you'll be able to earn regular income from your property, which can help you build wealth over time. Tax benefits. Real estate investments come with several tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax benefits can help you save money and reduce your overall tax burden. Diversification. Investing in real estate can also help you diversify your portfolio. This means that you'll be spreading your risk across different types of assets, which can help you minimize your overall investment risk. Tips for beginners. Start small. If you're new to real estate investing, it's best to start small. This means investing in a single-family home or a duplex, rather than jumping into larger commercial properties. Starting small will allow you to gain experience and learn the ropes before taking on larger investments. Do your research. Before investing in any property, make sure you do your research. This means researching the local real estate market, understanding property values, and analyzing potential cash flow and expenses. Consider financing options. Real estate investments require significant capital, which means you'll need to consider financing options. This can include traditional mortgages, private lending, or even partnerships with other investors. Find a good property manager. If you're planning to rent out your property, it's important to find a good property manager. This will help you ensure that your property is well maintained, tenants are properly screened, and rent is collected on time. In conclusion, investing in real estate can offer various benefits for beginners who are looking to build wealth over time. From appreciation and cash flow to tax benefits and diversification, real estate investments can provide a solid foundation for your financial future. By following these tips and doing your research, you can make informed decisions and build a successful real estate portfolio. Thanks for watching.